Carried in the womb, carried in the soul. Grace made a way to make the broken whole. Beyond the rules and man-made walls, beyond the empty religious halls, Mary bore the Son in grace and grace alone. Now he lives inside, making us his throne. Not as slaves in fear, not in heavy chains, called us sons and friends where his mercy reigns. He plans the path, he guards the way, gives vision through the darkest day. Even when we wander far off in the night, he was never lost, he remains the light. Christ is the perfect plan, holy and supreme, exalted high above, pure beyond a dream. Religion leaves a void, but he fulfills the soul. He's all we need to make the spirit whole. In the womb, in the heart, in the mind above, living inside of us, bound in perfect love. He is enough, the perfect plan. No void remains. Bound in love. Matthew 1:21, the promise delivered clear. He shall save his people, casting out all fear. Blameless representative standing on the throne, doing all through us, we are not our own. No conditions needed, no external show, just the purity of Christ where living waters flow. He plans the path, he guards the way, gives vision through the darkest day. Even when we wander far off in the night, he was never lost, he remains the light. Christ is the perfect plan, holy and supreme, exalted high above, pure beyond a dream. Religion leaves a void, but he fulfills the soul. He's all we need to make the spirit whole. In the womb, in the heart, in the mind above, living inside of us, bound in perfect love. Not by titles or human structures. Any void you feel is simply the lack of him. He is holy, blameless, and complete. We are one with him in spirit.